To unlock the SmartGard keypad locks using any valid user code with a time delay enabled, simply go ahead and punch in the user code, which will automatically initiate the time delay. On the screen, we're going to be able to see a count up of the amount of time needed to wait for the open window period. Once the time delay is completed and the open window has begun to count down, that's the point where we can actually enter in the combination a second time and enter the safe. This time delay has been set for 1 minute. We'll wait for 60 seconds till we get to the open window. Then we'll enter in the combination one more time to unlock the keypad.
No, I have your fax number, but I'm not sure if you understand what I mean. I had to verify to see if your lock is possible for your lock to do that. Okay? Because with this type of lock, I don't believe you can have dual access to override the time delay. Okay? I'm going to do some research and I'll give you a call.
Okay, we're just about there to the open window, and the keypad is about ready to signal us. Okay, so it beeps and then it begins counting down to show you the amount of the open window time you have left to enter the valid combination again. So we'll enter in one more time. And keypad is unlocked the lock.